With example 3 in finding slope, we are given the order pairs 1, 5, 3, 15, and 5, 25 represent the distance y feet that Julian walks after x seconds. We're asked to graph the data and draw the line that passes through the points and then find the slope of the line and explain what the slope represents. So again, these points right here are representing time in seconds to distance traveled. As set up a coordinate system, each tick mark in the vertical direction represents 2.5 feet and each tick mark in the horizontal direction represents half a second. So basically you could look at it as every 2 in the vertical direction represents 5 feet, every 2 in the horizontal direction represents 1 second. So now we just plot the points. 1, 5, so go to 1, then go to 5. 3, 15, so 3 over and up to 15. And then 5, 25, so last but not least, we're up here. And now we want to draw a line through those points, and we're asked to find the slope. So let's look at the change in distance over the change in time, or the change in y over the change in x. So we're looking at between these 2 points, from 5 to 15 is 10 feet, and from 1 to 3 is 2 seconds. We could do the same thing with the 2 outside points, so we're looking at the change from 5 to 25 is 20 feet, to the change from 1 to 5 is 4 seconds. So if we look at those 2 slopes, we're looking at, for our first set, we're looking at a change of 10 feet in 2 seconds. That gives us a slope of 5. And then with the outside points, we're looking at 20 feet in 4 seconds. So our slope, m equals 5. And you could have chosen to go from the second point to the third point. It doesn't matter as long as you put them in the change in the vertical direction over the change in the horizontal directions, or the change in y over the change in x. So our slope is 5, and if we want to interpret that, that's feet per second. So that means that an interpretation would be Julian travels 5 feet per second.